Hi guys, today we'll be discussing about how to make a sign up form in HTML. Before proceeding further, do not forget to comment, like and subscribe to our channel Nelson Darwin PogTech and click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Now, right click on on desktop, go to new text document, give it a name form, open it up and we have first tag here is HTML and the closing tag is with slash sign and HTML. In between this we have a head section and inside this head section we have title and in title we write my sign up page. Here our title ends and head section also ends. So now in the body section, let's create the body section here. In the body section, first what we have to do is we will write a tag known as form, and inside this form heading we'll create our form. For creating the form and in label we write enter first name and label ends with a slash sign. And what next is we'll be writing input type. Input type equals to, in double quotes we'll write text and we'll write name equals to, in double quotes we'll write first name. Double quotes close and this is closed. Let's see what is the output. Now go to file, save this file as save as form.html and here is the form. Double click on it and here we got the enter first name and you can write here any name you want. We'll proceed further in the next tutorial. Thank you.